Did you ever think you'd see a Ram 1500 that could make a Ford F-150 Lobo sweat? Well, Fox Factory just dropped a bombshell in the world of street trucks with their new DC650. This beast isn't just about looks, it's packing a punch that'll leave you speechless. Here's the thing, Fox Factory, known for their killer suspension systems, has teamed up with Direct Connection to create something truly epic. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this 650 horsepower monster could be a game changer. And just wait till you hear about its features for 2026. Let's dive right in. The DC650 isn't your average pickup. Under the hood, it's got a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, supercharged with a 3.0-liter Whipple twin-screw supercharger. That's right, we're talking 650 horsepower working alongside a mild hybrid e-torque system. But here's where things get really interesting. This truck isn't just about raw power. The 8-speed automatic transmission and water-cooled intercooler ensure it runs like a dream, whether you stick with rear-wheel drive or opt for the four-wheel drive for even more capability. Now get this, Fox Factory's expertise shines with ride-tech control arms and coilover dampers. These aren't just fancy words, they mean enhanced acceleration, steering, and cornering. The truck sits lower, with a 2-inch drop in the front and 4 in the rear, giving it that aggressive stance everyone loves. Add in the 22-inch Y-spoke wheels wrapped in Toyoprox ST3 tires, and you're looking at a serious street machine. But here's the part that's got everyone talking. The DC650 isn't just about performance. It's a visual stunner too, with aerodynamic tweaks like a front splitter, custom sport hood, and a bold gold accent stripe. Inside, the black leather seats with gold stitching scream luxury, and the serialized badge adds an exclusive touch. But it comes at a price. With the base model starting at $89,995, it's not for the faint-hearted. Compare that to the Ford F-150 Lobo, which starts at $60,395, and you'll see why the Ram is making waves. So, what does this mean for the future of trucks? As street trucks gain traction, Fox Factory's DC650 could set a new standard for performance and style. It's a bold move that might push other manufacturers to step up their game. Imagine the possibilities if this trend continues. Now, let's bring it back to you. Would you pay the extra bucks for power like this, or stick with the more affordable options? Drop a comment and let me know which feature of the DC650 impressed you the most. And don't forget to hit subscribe because next week, I'm breaking down the latest in automotive tech that's set to revolutionize the industry.